Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix blinking light on Apple TV. A blinking light on Apple TV can feel like it's trying to communicate in Morse code, but most of the time, it just means the device is stuck or failing to boot properly. First, try something simple. Move the Apple TV remote away from the device or even into another room for a minute, since a stuck or glitching remote can sometimes interfere with signals and trigger weird behavior. If that doesn't help, do a cold restart by unplugging the Apple TV from power, waiting about 60 seconds, then plugging it back in, basically giving it a you good reset. You can also try holding the back left arrow and menu buttons on the remote to force a restart if the system is still responsive. If the blinking light continues, the next step is restoring the device using a Mac or PC by connecting it via USB-C or micro USB, depending on the model, and using Finder or iTunes to run a restore. Just make sure your cable supports data, not just charging, because Apple TV will absolutely refuse to cooperate with the wrong one. After restoration, set it up again, and the issue is usually gone. Unless it's a hardware fault, then it's Apple support time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.